Marketing automation versus CRM marketing modules. Which one is better for campaign performance? Most marketers get this wrong by assuming that CRM marketing modules alone can drive high-performing campaigns. The surprising truth is that marketing automation and CRM marketing modules serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can significantly impact campaign results. Marketing automation platforms like HubSpot, Marketo, or ActiveCampaign are built to handle complex, multi-channel campaigns at scale. They allow marketers to create automated email sequences, segment audiences based on behavior, and track engagement in real time. For example, an e-commerce brand can automatically send cart abandonment emails, follow up with product recommendations, and measure click-through rates, all without manual effort. These tools excel at nurturing leads and driving conversions through personalized, timely campaigns. CRM marketing modules, such as Salesforce Marketing Cloud or Zoho marketing features, are integrated within your customer relationship system. They help align marketing activities with sales, track customer interactions, and manage basic campaigns directly in the CRM. While useful for maintaining contact history and segmenting customers, they often lack advanced automation capabilities and multi-channel orchestration. For instance, a small service business can use a CRM module to send newsletters or track email opens, but it may struggle to run dynamic campaigns across email, social, and web simultaneously. A key difference is sophistication versus integration. Marketing automation platforms offer advanced targeting, analytics, and multi-channel orchestration, whereas CRM modules provide convenience and alignment with sales pipelines. Many high-performing teams combine both. They use marketing automation for sophisticated campaigns and integrate data back into the CRM for a unified view of customer interactions. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is to maximize campaign performance, nurture leads, and drive conversions at scale, marketing automation is the better choice. If your priority is keeping marketing activities aligned with sales and maintaining a centralized customer database, CRM marketing modules are sufficient. The surprising truth is that leveraging both together creates a seamless marketing ecosystem, automated, data-driven campaigns with complete visibility into customer journeys.